In the world of document processing, efficiency and accuracy are paramount. Today, we're excited to showcase the extraordinary capabilities of CMR Plus by focusing on two types of repossession documents. On the left, we have a property repossession document, which follows a standardized format set by the IRS, also called Form 1099. On the right are vehicle repossession documents, which come in various formats, depending on state requirements. Here's a quick view of some examples from the state of Oregon, Indiana, and Texas that we'll be using for this demo. Dealing with unstructured forms like these and their complexities can be a nightmare for many organizations, but not for CMR Plus. CMR Plus has mastered the art of accurately extracting data from both structured and unstructured documents, saving countless hours of manual labor and minimizing the risk of errors. Let's step into the demo. This is the configure screen where we have both the processes listed. Property repossession is a structured form and will be extracting the following fields from this document. These fields would always be in the same format. On the other hand, for vehicle repossession documents, we would be extracting the following fields, and these could be anywhere in the document, as mentioned earlier, based on state requirements. These fields have all been configured in the process, and the model is trained with some samples for this demo. Now, let's upload these forms and see how CMR Plus extracts the identified values. We start with programming the CMR Plus instance to property repossession, and then add the property repossession documents. And while that is happening, let's quickly go ahead and upload the vehicle repossession documents as well. Now both the batches are being processed. The property repossession document shows that it has completed processing. Let's go and see the extraction accuracy. Clicking on each of the extracted fields highlights where the information is extracted from, and the green icon next to it shows 100% confidence of extraction. The yellow icon in form type is because it's a lookup field and is highlighting moderate confidence. These graphical representations make the job of a QA much easier and faster when reviewing the extraction. The lender's name and address is a multi-line text box. CMR Plus has extracted all the information from them accurately. Here we see that all fields have been properly extracted, and the form also mentions 100% extraction accuracy. Let's look at the other two forms extraction. We see that everything is extracted correctly in the second form. And again, everything extracted correctly in the third form as well. Now, let's look at the vehicle repossession document accuracy. We'll start with the Indiana form. Here we see that all the fields have been extracted accurately and with confidence, except the plate number and title number fields. This is because the form does not have any information about them and the fields are blank. Because of this, the overall document accuracy is reduced to 83%, while CMR Plus is actually at 100% accuracy, since it has extracted all the fields that had information available correctly. The Oregon form is very different from the previous one, but CMR Plus has extracted all the fields and the overall accuracy is at 100%. The final one is the Texas form, but just like the Indiana form, a few fields information is not available while others have been extracted perfectly. Let's also demonstrate how a QC can quickly and easily help build the machine learning algorithm using CMR Plus, low-code, no-code, drag and drop functionality. Take the example of the date of sale. We have configured that as the date of repossession in this process. If needed, we can add multiple values and train the model as well. For example, if we want to say that the date of sale is actually not the date of repossession but a different date altogether, like this date here, we just have to highlight the fields that we want to add for learning and add the pattern. In this case, we can save it, and then that will add a pattern and give it a higher priority than the date of repossession. This way a QA can utilize CMR Plus, easy to use, graphical user interface to build training patterns for their processes or fields during the review itself. The three different unstructured forms for vehicle repossession documents were extracted by a single configuration of CMR Plus. This shows the flexibility and ease in configuration with easy drag and drop low-code, no-code features, as well as highlighting CMR Plus, cutting-edge artificial intelligence and deep learning techniques that enable CMR Plus to quickly adapt to different document layouts and intelligently identify critical information without the need for templating. Join countless organizations across industries who have entrusted AntWorks to streamline and revolutionize their document processing workflows, ensuring speed, accuracy, and compliance. For a demo, please visit ant.works.